Hey everybody, if you're like me and you want to start the new year right, eating good, healthy meals, but you don't want to lose any of that flavor, stay with us. I got something Mediterranean quinoa that you're not going to want to miss. So here we go, quinoa salad, Mediterranean style, packed with flavor. It's super simple. It just has a ton of ingredients, as you can see here. And all these ingredients are amazing and wonderful in flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the dressing. As you can see here, I went ahead and have some olive oil. And don't worry about the measurements. Make sure and look below in the description and you'll see all the measurements and all the different ingredients then. But we also have some lemon, we have some red wine vinegar, and this is my favorite, and I'm probably gonna butcher the name, but I believe it's pronounced Kalamata Olives, is that right, babe?
Kalamata.
Kalamata. Wonderful flavor, super salty, yummy, kind of what you get whenever you go to a restaurant and you have like a Greek salad or something like this. And then we're gonna add some oregano. And last but not least, you can't ever go wrong without garlic. So I minced up some garlic earlier. We're just gonna add that to the mixture. And we're gonna whisk it up. Now I'll tell you what really turned me on to Mediterranean, Middle Eastern type food was when I went on a trip with my mom and dad, and I had the opportunity to go to Israel. And I hope that I'll be able to go again someday. But I could not believe it because I was never exposed to that type of food before. And when I was there, I thought, oh my gosh, this is like a whole new door that I've never even opened before. So it got me so excited. So when I got back, I totally found out more about this Mediterranean food and started incorporating into my own meals. What we have here is cooked quinoa. And let me show you a little bit about how I made it earlier today. I put my quinoa in a strainer and rinsed it off really good to avoid any type of bitterness. And I added some chicken broth. You can do water in lieu of this. I just wanted to add some extra flavor. Once it came to a boil, I put my lid on, and you're going to want to turn that down to a simmer and set your alarm for 15 minutes. I use this time to get all of my vegetables prepared. And you'll see on the outside of that cucumber, I took off some of that skin just to avoid some bitterness. And I went ahead and gutted that to avoid any type of wateriness that might get into the quinoa. Chopped that up and also chopped up some parsley, and that red onion's gonna add a good flavor. I did the same thing as I did with the cucumber to the Roma tomato and gutted that out and chopped that up as well. Now when my quinoa was done, you wanna fluff it up and let it cool completely. Now for the easy part. We're gonna go ahead and add some red onion, cucumbers, Roma tomatoes, okay. Next we're having some parsley. Oh my goodness. Look at all those beautiful colors. This is gonna be amazing. Gonna add some feta cheese. Now, if you're being super, super strict, you don't have to add this. It's still super healthy even with it, but I get it. And then also we're gonna add some more of this Kalamata, is that, how did I pronounce it?
Kalamata.
Kalamata olives to it as well.
And those have lots of salt.
Lots of salt. So as you notice, I haven't added any salt into this at all because of those olives. And we'll taste it, and if we need to add some at the end, we will. I just want to make sure and not put it in prior to us testing it before. And then this is chickpeas. This is basically what you make hummus out of, and I'm going to add some of that in. I think I'm going to go ahead and add it all. I was going to wait and see. It seemed like a ton of chickpeas, but I think with the amount of ingredients that we have for this whole salad, it's going to look really good.
It's kind of like peanut butter Captain Crunch. That's my favorite.
It does. It looks like it. Doesn't taste anything like it. Sorry, I had to stop the video there for a minute because my youngest woke up from her nap. And as you can see, we have an audience now that has joined us for the
Say hi,
filming.
guys.
Hi.
Y'all be nice and quiet over there for just a minute. We're almost
Just a minute, we're almost done. It's inevitable. It happens every time we're at the end of our filming that the girls wake up from their nap, but that's okay. Moving on, let's go ahead and now that it's all mixed up, don't forget about this yummy dressing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And look how like deep and rich those flavors are. It is going to be amazing. So you're just going to want to drizzle it on top. Mix it in real good together. Ooh, my mouth is seriously watering. All right, so we're stirring it up, making sure that we get that dressing on all parts of the salad. And look at all those beautiful flavors. That's what I love about quinoa. Now, the quinoa that we use today is tri-colored quinoa. So it's the red, the white, and the black. You can do red. I wanted to do red because it's more of a nutty flavor, and I think that would go really good with this. So I put a little more of the red than I did on the white and black. So, all right, babe, let's do it. Let's do it. You want to do the first?
Sure.
Honestly, let me know. Let me know, babe. Really?
Wow. That's great. That's awesome.
I love it when it works. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I haven't cooked this in forever, so I'm so glad that it came out just as I had remembered it to come out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the family. Say bye-bye.